Good morning, boss. I was hoping we could discuss my recent performance review and the salary increment.
Good morning, Tom. Absolutely. I've reviewed your performance, and I appreciate your dedication to the team. What's on your mind regarding the increment?
Well, you see, I've taken on a lot of additional responsibilities over the past year. I've been handling not only my own tasks, but also supporting my colleagues during busy periods. I was hoping for a bit more recognition for the extra effort.
I understand, Tom. Your hard work hasn't gone unnoticed, and I appreciate your willingness to step up when needed. However, the company is currently facing some budget constraints, and we have to be mindful of that.
I also completed that training program last month, and I've gained new skills that directly benefit the team. I thought that might contribute to a more substantial increment.
Tom, I value the effort you've put into your professional development. The training program was a great initiative, and I believe it will bring added value to your role. But as I mentioned earlier, budget constraints are limiting our ability to provide larger increments across the board.
I've been consistently meeting and exceeding my targets, and I've even brought in a few new clients this year. I was expecting that my performance would reflect in a more significant increase.
Tom, your achievements are commendable, and I'm pleased with the positive impact you've had on our client base. However, it's important to consider the overall economic climate and the financial situation of the company. We want to reward your efforts, so let's explore other ways to show our appreciation.
Well, I've been with the company for 5 years now, and I've always given my best. I was expecting a more substantial increment based on my loyalty and consistent performance.
Tom, your dedication to the company is truly appreciated. I understand your perspective, and I want to find a solution that recognizes your contributions. While I can't provide the exact increment you were hoping for, I'd like to propose something else.
What's that, boss?
How about we introduce a special role allowance for you? This would be a recognition of your added responsibilities, skills gained from the training program, and your consistent high performance. It may not be a traditional increment, but it's a way for us to acknowledge your efforts in a tangible manner.
A special role allowance? That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more about it?
Certainly, Tom. The special role allowance would be an additional monthly payment specifically tied to the extra responsibilities you've taken on and the skills you've acquired. It's a way for us to recognize your unique contributions without exceeding our current budget constraints.
That sounds like a fair compromise, boss. I appreciate your willingness to find a solution that acknowledges my efforts. I'm on board with the special role allowance.
Great, Tom. I'm glad we could come to an agreement. Your dedication to the team is valuable, and I want to ensure you feel recognized and motivated to continue your excellent work.
Thank you, boss. I'm excited about this new arrangement, and I'm looking forward to continuing to contribute to the success of the team.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.